Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we discuss 50 MCQ about coronavirus. So let's start. First question is, what is the name of COVID-19 test? Option A, COVID test. Option B, ECG. Option C, EEG. And option D, RT-PCR. And the right answer is option D, RT-PCR. Question number 2. What does the structure of coronavirus look like when viewed by microscope? Option A, ring. Option B, sorry. Option B, crown. Option C, China map. And option D, triangle. And the right answer is option B, crown. Question number 3. When was coronavirus first recognized? Option A, 1950. Option B, 1959. Option C, 1960. And option D, 1999. And the right answer is option C, 1960. Name the first Indian state who declared coronavirus as pandemic. Option A, Assam. Option B, Maharashtra. Option C, Andhra Pradesh. And option D, Haryana. The right answer is option D, Haryana. Question number 5. Coronavirus is related to which disease? Option A, SARS. Option B, MERS. Option C, both A and B. And option D, none of these. And the right answer is option number C, both A and B. This is the correct answer. Question number 6. What amount of money has been announced by India to be donated in SARS COVID-19 emergency fund? Option A, $25 million. Option B, $20 million. Option C, $50 million. And option D, $10 million. And the right answer is option D, $10 million. Question number 7. Social app WhatsApp has announced which new features in order to spread awareness among its users regarding COVID 19 in India. Option A, WhatsApp Corona News. Option B, WhatsApp Chatbot. Option C, WhatsApp Corona. And option D, WhatsApp COVID. The right answer is option B, WhatsApp Chatbot. Question number 8. Social app Instagram has introduced which new features in order to spread awareness among users regarding COVID 19? Option A, Instagram News. Option B, Instagram Corona. Option C, Instagram COVID. And option D, Instagram Feed. And the right answer is option D, Instagram Feed. The name of coronavirus originated from which language? Option A, Chinese. Option B, English. Option C, Latin. And option D, Japanese. The correct answer is option C, Latin. Question number 10. What was the temporary name given to the new coronavirus? Option A 2019 N-COVID. Option B 2019 COVID. Option C COVID-19 and option D one virus. The right answer is option A 2019 N-COVID means new COVID. 2019 new coronavirus. It is the right answer. Which virus is responsible for COVID-19? Option A SARS CoV-2. Option B Zika virus. Option C one virus and option D HIV. The right answer is option A SARS CoV-2. In which country maximum people died due to COVID-19? Option A Japan, option B North Korea, option C China and option D America. The right answer is option D America. Question number 13. On which date Janta curfew was imposed in India? 22 March 2020, 23 March 2020, 25 March 2020 and 20 March 2020. The right answer is 22 March 2020. Option A 22 March 2020 is the correct answer. Question number 14. Which is the first state to impose lockdown due to coronavirus? Option A Karnataka, option B Odisha, option C Rajasthan and option D Sikkim. The right answer is option C Rajasthan. When was WHO designated novel coronavirus as COVID-19? 31st January 2020, 5 February 2020, 11 February 2020 and 12 March 2020. Right answer is option C 11 February 2020. When was first case of COVID-19 seen in India? Option A 20 January 2020, option B 25 January 2020, option C 30 January 2020 and option D 1st February 2020. The right answer is 30 January 2020. Question number 17. First case of COVID-19 seen in outside in China. Option A Italy, option B America, option C Spain and option D Thailand. And the right answer is option D Thailand. When WHO officially declared COVID-19 as global pandemic? Option A 11th March 2020, option B 30 January 2020, option C 21st February 2020 and option D 13 January 2020. The right answer is Option A 11 March 2020. 19. Arogya Setu app launched on Option A 25 March 2020, 1st April 2020, 2nd April 2020, and 10th April 2020. The right answer is option C 2nd April 2020. Question number 20. In Corona, which zone refers as hotspot? Option A orange zone, option B red zone, option C green zone, and option D yellow zone. The right answer is option B red zone. Name the hospital which has become India's first government hospital to start plasma therapy for COVID-19. Option A Apollo Hospital, option B AIMS, option C King George Medical University, and option D Fortis Hospital. The right answer is option C King George Medical University. Question number 22. Name the institution which has created a low-cost mechanical ventilator Rudder. Option A IIT Bombay, option B IIT Madras, option C IIT Pune, option D IIT Delhi. The right answer is option A IIT Mumbai or IIT Bombay. IIT Bombay is the right answer. Question number 23. Who has been chosen in an awareness campaign run by WHO against COVID-19? Option A Virat Kohli, option B Sunil Chhetri, option C MS Dhoni, and option D Sania Nehwal. The right answer is option B Sunil Chhetri. Question number 24. Who declared that whole world has entered into economic recession because of COVID-19? Option A WHO, option B UNICEF, option C ADB, and option D IMF. The right answer is option D IMF. Question number 25. Who started Operation Namaste in order to tackle with COVID-19? Option A Indian Army, option B Indian Air Force, option C Indian Navy, and option D Indian Coast Guard. The right answer is option A Indian Army. Question number 26. What is the full form of COVID 19? Option A, Corona disease 19. Option B, Covirus disease 19. Option C, Coronavirus disease 2019. And option D, Corona pandemic 2019. And the right answer is option C, Coronavirus disease 2019. Question number 27. Which is the first COVID 19 reported district in India? Option A, New Delhi. Option B, Ranchi. Option C, Coimbatore. And option D, Thrissur. The right answer is option D, Thrissur. Thrissur is the right answer. Question number 28. Which of the following app was released by the Government of India for COVID 19 defense? Option A, Aragya Setu. Option B, Mrityu Sanjeevani. Option C, Aragya Mantra. And option D, Ayush Mantra. And the right answer is option A, Aragya Setu. Question number 29. What is the name of the Kerala Health Department's campaign to prevent the spread of coronavirus? Option A, Kill Corona. Option B, Do the Five. Option C, Break the Chain. And option D, none of these. The right answer is option C, Break the Chain. Question number 30. Viruses are named by which organization? Option A, WHO. Option B, ICMR. Option C, ICTV. And option D, none of these. The right answer is option C, ICTV. Question number 31. Which state chief minister launched self-declaration COVID 19 app? Option A, Punjab. Option B, Nagaland. Option C, Rajasthan. And option D, Madhya Pradesh. The right answer is option B, Nagaland. Which country is affected by hantavirus? Option A, Japan. Option B, Russia. Option C, China. And option D, America. The right answer is option C, China. Question number 33. Which state government has formed Team 11 in order to tackle COVID 19? Option A, Rajasthan. Option B, Uttarakhand. Option C, Punjab. And option D, Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer is option D, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 34. Name the new website launched by Google in order to spread awareness regarding COVID 19. Option A google.com/corona. Option B google.com/coronavirus. Option C google.com/covid-19 and option D google.com/covid virus. And the correct answer is option C google.com/covid-19. Question number 35. Which app is launched by Punjab government in order to spread awareness regarding COVID-19? Option A Kova Punjab. Option B San e Punjab. Option C Kova Corona and option D Corona Tracker Punjab. The right answer is option A Kova Punjab. Question number 36. Which bank has started COVID-19 emergency credit line for its customer? Option A SBI, option B PNB, option C BOI and option D Dena Bank. The right answer is option A State Bank of India or SBI. Question number 37. Which city uses drones for cleanliness during corona pandemic? Option A Pathankot, option B New Delhi, option C Mumbai and option D Indore. The right answer is option D Indore. Indore is the right answer. Question number 38. Who started the initiative Stay Home India with books? The options are option A NBT, option B Delhi government, option C DRDO and option D CBSE. The right answer is option A NBT. This is the correct answer. Question number 39. India's biggest hospital for treatment of coronavirus will be constructed in which state? Option A Punjab, option B Rajasthan, option C Karnataka and option D Odisha. The right answer is option D Odisha. Question number 40. Which state became India's first state to launch self-assessment tool in order to treat COVID-19 patients? Option A Goa, option B Maharashtra, option C Gujarat and option D Uttarakhand. And the right answer is option A Goa. Question number 41. Size of coronavirus. Option A 0.125 nm. Option B 1.25 nm. Option C 112.5 nm and option D 125 nanometer. So these are all nanometer. The right answer is option D 125 nm or 125 nanometer. Question number 42. How many spikes does the coronavirus has on its surface? Option A 34, option B 54, option C 74, and option D 94. The right answer is option C 74. Which Indian state government introduced Kill Corona campaign? Option A Tamil Nadu, option B Madhya Pradesh, option C Kerala, and option D Rajasthan. The right answer is option B Kerala. Sorry, option B Madhya Pradesh. Option B Madhya Pradesh is the correct answer. Question number 44. What is the name of the robot used by the government of Rajasthan to care for corona victims? Option A Sona 2.5, option B Ashwini 1.5, option C Kamal 2.2, and option D Curved 1.1. And the right answer is option A Sona 2.5. Question number 45. MERS was first reported in which country? Option A Bangladesh, option B China, option C Saudi Arabia, and option D Iran. The right answer is option C Saudi Arabia. Question number 46. When was the national lockdown announced in India? Option A 24 March 2020, option B 22 March 2020, option C 21 March 2020, and option D 23rd March 2020. The right answer is option A 24th March 2020. Question number 47. On which date WHO declared COVID-19 as a global pandemic? Option A 11 January 2020, option B 11 February 2020, option C 11 March 2020, and option D 12 March 2020. The right answer is option C 11 March 2020. Question number 48. SARS is also a disease transmitted by the coronavirus. From which animal did it erupt? Option A pug, option B civet, option C dog, and option D cat. The right answer is option B civet. Question number 49. Where the National Institute of Virology is located? Option A Delhi, option B Mumbai, option C Pune, and option D Hyderabad. The right answer is option C Pune. Pune is the right answer. And it is the last question. Where is the headquarters of WHO? Option A New York, option B Paris, option C Geneva, and option D London. The right answer is option C Geneva. So friends, it was the today's last question. So thanks for watching. Thank you.